The Bicentennial Quarter is a fascinating piece of American numismatic history, but it is important to distinguish between sentimental value and market rarity. Because nearly 1.6 billion were produced, the vast majority found in pocket change are only worth face value of 25 cents. However, specific varieties, compositions, and airs can hold significant value for coin collectors. What to look for when appraising a bicentennial quarter? Evaluate these four key factors. Composition, silver versus clad. Clad. Most you find are copper nickel clad. They have a visible copper stripe on the edge. 40% silver, produced at San Francisco Mint, Mint mark, are collector sets. These have a uniform silver gray edge without the copper stripe. If you suspect you have a silver version, check the weight. A silver clad quarter weighs approximately 5.75 grams, while a standard clad weighs 5.67 grams. Mint marks: Philadelphia, no mint mark. Standard circulation: Denver, D. Standard circulation, located on the Obverse near Washington's Ponytail. San Francisco S. Collectors only issued. Look for these for the higher quality proofs and silver versions. Condition: the grade. On a scale of 1 to 70 is everything for high value coins, and MS70 perfect. Uncirculated, coin can fetch thousands at auction, whereas a heavily worn coin from the pocket is usually only worth 25 cents. Heirs, the big money items. Double die obverse. Specifically, look for doubling on Liberty and In God We Trust. The FS101 is a well-known variety. Off-center strikes and clip planchets. These are rare manufacturing defects, where the image is misaligned or the metal disc was clipped before striking. Struck through. Airs occur when a foreign object gets trapped during the minting process, leaving a permanent impression. How to sell it. If you identify a potential high value coin, follow these steps to maximize your return. Do not clean or polish. This is the number one rule in numismatics. Cleaning the coin will destroy its collector value instantly. Leave it exactly as you found it. Professional authentication. If you believe you have a rare air or a high grade specimen, do not try to sell it raw. Send it to a reputable third grade party service like PCGS or NGC. Their certification confirms the coin's authenticity and grade, which is essentially for selling to serious collectors. Research current prices. Use tools like the NGC Price Guide or Action Archives, archives from Heritage Auctions to see what similar coins have actually sold for recently. Choose your venue. Local coin shows are excellent for getting multiple offers from reputable dealers. Reputable dealers ensure they are members of the American Numismatic Association, the ANA, or Professional Numismatist Guide, PNG. Auction houses best for high value rare coins. They can facilitate bidding wars that drive up the final price, though they charge consignment fees. So thanks for tuning in. American Coins channel at your service.